identity of a group, identity of group G by n is, it has given option A, which is equal to G, B, which is 1 by G, and C, which is n itself, and D is 1 by n. So we have to solve this, and we have to find this identity. To find its identity, what we do, we will find its solution. We will solve it. Okay. To solve this, what we do, we will see first if we see this A belongs to G in the group, okay, and if we see if A belongs to G, suppose A is an element which belongs to G, then from this we get this M A also belongs to G by n. Okay, since we have the given group G by n, which is in fact a quotient group. By quotient group, we mean if n is normal, normal subgroup, subgroup of group G, then हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, n is contained in G. तो इसकी डेफिनेशन क्या होगी? इसकी डेफिनेशन होगी G by n, which is known as quotient group. It will be defined as it's defined as set of NA such that A is contained in G. Okay, A is contained in G, and this group is called quotient group. What is this called? Quotient group. Okay, this was the definition of. And now coming back on to our topic, what was it? It is like this: if A belongs to G, A is an element belonging to some group G, then n A also belongs to G by n, which is satisfying this definition, G by n, satisfying the definition of normal quotient group. Okay, quotient group. Next, what we will do to find its identity, if E belongs to G, E is an element, identity belongs to G. Okay, E belongs to G, then what can we say? हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? अगर E G में बिलोंग करता है तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं, ये अप्लाई करेगा M E जो है ये भी किस ग्रुप में? G by n में करेगा बिलोंग. ओके, इसके बाद हम देखेंगे, अगर आप देखोगे ऐसे M A M E, तो ये किसके बराबर लिखेगा? M तो दोनों में है A E. ओके, इसके बराबर लिख सकते हैं ना, तो इसको लिख सकते हैं हाँ, ये जो है ये इंटू E A, आइडेंटिटी इंटू यूनिट, तो ये आएगा M A. ओके, इसके बाद अगर आप देखोगे M E N A, तो ये किसके बराबर आएगा? ये आएगा M E A, तो अगेन ये आएगा बराबर M A के बराबर. क्यों आएगा M A के बराबर? क्योंकि अगर आप देखोगे हम आपके पास E A जो होता है वो होता है A E. ओके, तो वो होता है बराबर A. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? तो इसको हम फाइनल में हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? हम लिख सकते हैं M E जो है वो है बराबर किसके? M के. है कोई ऑप्शन? हाँ है, ये है मेरे हिसाब से पार्ट सी. हाँ, ये है पार्ट सी जो है ना M के बराबर. तो क्या है इसका आंसर? पार्ट सी है. ओके, तो ये है इसका आंसर.